Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate McAfee product key. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So first thing you have to do is visit this website, McAfee.com. So now we're here, so just enter your code and email, just basically open your account. And once you're done, just tap on next. Now scroll down and hit on activate membership and then download. Just tap on yes and finally tap on install. And that's it guys. That's how you activate McAfee product key. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!